Carpenter race. One of the reasons why I like the Gibson relays is because of its inclusivity. Get our Special Olympians, masters, prep school, primary school, just the range of competitors that participate.
And you're seeing that these days with so many at the Gibson McCook relay. We see it at Champs and we see it at the Carifta Games as well. Daniel Dowie competed here at the Gibson McCook relays. Not sure where Spencer Darlington comes, but I once did bocce at the Special Olympics trials. I think it was a period when they were trying non-special individuals with the Special Olympians.
Yes.
And so we got the opportunity to compete alongside. I think I won gold with my partner that year in bocce.
We got that loaded
at the trials. At the trials, not at the actual Olympics.
Alrighty, we are getting ready now for the men's Special Olympics 4x100m. Runners asked to stand up once again. Kingston B, St. Catherine B, St. Catherine A, St. Andrew B, Kingston C, St. Andrew A, and Kingston A from lanes 2 through to 8.
Lorna Bell, if she is watching this broadcast, who has done a marvelous job over the years with marketing Special Olympics in Jamaica. Not just marketing Special Olympics, but really keeping it afloat.
Yep, about passion and the dedication, Ricardo. That's Lorna Olympics. Runners called or ordered to go to their marks once again. Special Olympics, men's 4x100m. The record 46.06 seconds. In the set position and pretty good start. St. Catherine B ranging up there, so too St. Andrew B. They head stretch, middle of the pack. A very much pick up. St. Catherine B is also up there, but it's St. Catherine A on top, but only just. St. Andrew B and trying to get closer. Final hand seconds now. And they spring off the top bend. Oh, a tumble there, but luckily the anchor man manages to stay on his feet. Two-way battle now. B, St. Catherine A looking good for this. And they come away. St. Catherine A ahead of Kingston C, 48.96. It's 48.4 for St. Catherine A, the winner.
Well, we did get to show a little bit of drama there on the after the final exchange for St. Catherine A, and he recovers from his stumble, finishes. Time to celebrate and point at the clock.
St. Catherine A 48.94 in first, followed by Kingston C 49.97, and in third St. Andrew B 54 seconds.
Catherine A ran the best of winning. Here's a look on the first leg there in blue in lane 3. St. Catherine leading in, running well, poised and chasing. Not the cleanest exchanges, but they are leading. They're maintaining their lead. Around, and here we see that there's the fumble. Steps out to the outer lane, recovers, and you're going to see the celebration just a bit there for St. Catherine A in the Special Olympics division. 48.96 the flash time. Another look at the runner here. St. Catherine A, or winners. Now Anton Scott on the third leg for St. Catherine A, maintaining that lead into this final exchange, and Alan Gordon recovers from that stumble.